So these are my shoes, and I've had them for definitely less than a year, and I've already somehow fucked the backs up. So I'm gonna repair them, or attempt to repair them. I mean, nothing's broken with them, but for a shoe that's not even half a year old, I kind of feel like it's kind of too young to already be losing stuff like that. To be losing rubber on the side piece. So I'm going to put silicone over it. Apparently everyone's obsessed with silicone. And I'm going to silicone all this up so this doesn't pop out. It was never even attached. The outer band thing wasn't attached to the sole. I cleaned it off. It was dirtier before I cleaned it off though. Same with this one. And if you're wondering what this is from going down a hill on a skateboard and dragging my heels on the ground. So yeah, that's not a good idea, but I'm not going to listen. So here's the silicone we're going to be using. It's from Walmart. I just bought it. This GE white silicone. And I'm just going to... I almost dropped it. I'm going to circumcise this top thing and hopefully we can get some... I think this is how you're supposed to... Oh, is it clear? I didn't want clear silicone. Well... It said it was white. Oh, there's the white crap. So wait a minute, is the white crap supposed to stay on? You know what, it doesn't matter, it's fine. Seems to be okay. I don't know what that clear stuff is. But, oh, wait, let me get the smoothing thing. The smoothly doodler. Forgive me if I'm too quiet, but it's this thing, it's part of a VCR. I'm gonna smooth it out. I think this is the thinner. I don't know what it is. Smoogly googly. Roogly poogly. Oogly. I have never used silicone before. I'm completely new to this. Mixing all this clear shit with the actual silicone. Alright, now let's do the other one. Alright, this one is really bad. This is the one that wasn't attached. Hopefully it dried off. know if it's supposed to be this chunky. I've never used silicone before. It says work in a well-ventilated area. This is a ASMR sketchy ass shoe repair video. Like if you like sketchy ass shoe repairs. It's a little bulbous over here. Oops. Okay, where else it needs this magical silicone treatment? Apparently this stuff works really well. So we're going to test that theory. And we're going to see how these things hold up after a day. So it's about a day and a half later with the shoes. I had to re-silicone that because it was, doing something. It was like all that clear shit that was on it was all getting everywhere. So I re-siliconed that, and I have a black light or a UV light, or a black light. It's a UV light to hopefully, I guess, dry these faster because they're kind of my daily drivers and I like wearing them. Yes, this is just an update. Okay, so it's been a little over 3 days and all the silicone on my shoes is completely gone. There is no silicone. All of this that was filled with silicone is now just completely free of silicone. So I'm just going to leave them like this. I mean, if your shoes wear out, just replace them. Don't try and fix them with silicone. Use shoe glue, shoe goo. So this was a fail.